guys, I have a theory that Quahan drags mommy in chapter 2 is huggy-wuggy. What do you think? The only hymns we know are huggy-wuggy and Blonde, Boogie Bot, Edward Wugwin, and you. There's just a bunch of boys in Puppy Playtime chapter 2, but the only one we counted is huggy-wuggy. Or you just want to do well with the dead toys. Those are dead toys, okay? But how else are we supposed to get war out of this? This is not how we're supposed to do stuff. Well, like, that's the only him we know. And probably he did have a bone, and then he did have a bone, and he also had some animatronic in him to make him more act. Look at the way he drags it. It's like a hand can't move. Okay, it might be sick, but those fingers are larger than huggy-wuggy's. But huggy-wuggy can't move his fingers, and that thing can't move its fingers. So, is this the brand new thing in chapter 2? Like and subscribe for more theories.